Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I will show you how to replace the taillights or taillight light bulbs on a 2008 Chevy Impala. This video applies to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2016. Okay, to start you can open up the trunk. Now this is very easy to do. You won't even have to use any tools right now. First you want to unscrew this black screw right here. You can use your hands to do it. Okay, and once you have it out, you can pretty much remove this cloth piece, and down here you will have one more of these screws, and you can also use your hand just to unscrew it. If it's too tight for you, you can just use pliers to release it, and then again just use your fingers to remove it. Okay, I turned the flash on my phone, and there is actually one more just up here, so same thing, you just want to unscrew it the same way. So pretty much you have three of these plastic screws to remove. Once you've done that, your taillight should be pretty loose actually, so you can just wiggle it a bit and pull it straight out. And this is how you remove the taillight. Okay, so if you're replacing the complete taillight, if it's broken or something, you can just unplug it here. So there is this clip, you just have to pull it up and then straight out. See, and you can completely remove that taillight, and that's it. If you're replacing just the light bulbs, you can replace any of these light bulbs just by turning it, twisting it to the left side, so like this, or this one, same thing, or this guy down here. So they all pretty much just twist to the left side, and yeah, they just pop right out. Yeah, on this car this is very nicely done, very easy to replace by yourself. So yeah, save your money, don't go to the shop. This is gonna take you like less than 5 minutes to do it yourself. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.